Don't you get it yet, Tars? They're not beings. They're us.
Cooper, people couldn't build this.
No, not yet. But one day. Not you and me, but a people. A civilization that's evolved past the 4 dimensions we know. What happens now?
What is that?
It's them.
Don't!
First handshake.
Hi, this is Eva for Once Upon a Timeline. Welcome to Midnight Mandela. How is everybody doing tonight? I think I heard something about there being a snow moon coming up or something. I don't know. Every full moon's got some kind of special thing now.
Look at the teeth. Concentric rows. Something here is making giant waves in the gene pool.
Sharks have teeth like that, don't they?
Do you think it's a crossbreed?
We can't crossbreed between different species.
Welcome to my channel. This is Hazel Fiver. First of all, I just want to say the Mandela effect is evil. And I feel that the Mandela effect is like a crime scene that we stumbled upon.
One of you who made the discovery that I'm going to show you next. So
I'm using this phone to call this phone. This one. So it's going to show you. Hello? Hello? Hey babe, how you doing?
This free app lets you change your voice in real time.
Here's what my voice sounds like as President Joe Biden.
Change your voice from male to female in less than a minute. Smooth volume to compress the vocals before conversion. And here's how my voice sounds with a female voice model.
Sit down, relax, and take a deep breath.
That something was terribly wrong with the world that we lived in, but you couldn't figure out just what it was. Then you've come to the right place. Secret societies, mystery religions, and the Illuminati have been controlling our reality since the beginning of time, but not anymore.
This is a call for an uprising. Welcome to today's show. People need to be aware that when we talk about silent weapons for quiet wars, we are talking about frequency weapons, and electromagnetic waves that are being used on us. It's being used in many different ways. And remember, the Bible tells us in Ephesians chapter 2, verse 2, where in time past ye walked according to the course of this world, according to the prince of the power of the air, the spirit that now worketh in the children of disobedience. They are using the air to wage war on God's creation, humanity. And the air, the prince of the power of the air, is none other than Lucifer himself.
All of us have noticed all the gold fixtures and trophies and ornaments in the Oval Office since Trump moved back in a few weeks ago. This picture in particular